Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making velvet cake. So for today's recipe for velvet cake we got 7 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 eggs which are medium, 200 ml of milk, and we got some red dyed cocoa powder. So what we'll be adding first is the egg, 3 raw eggs. Then next will be the milk. And then finally the oil. Then we get a spoon for it. Scoop it all out. So here in this clip of the video, I am adding in powder bit by bit at a time. Because with powder it gets everywhere and it gets really messy if you were to add in all of the powder all at once. This is also one thing I have learnt while whisking the powder together and the flour together, all the ingredients. Also, I stress that when you're whisking it, make sure you do it on low speeds because you do not want it to get everywhere. So what I'm now doing is placing the 2 tins into the oven for 23 minutes. So So guys, this is the cake that has cooled down and has came out of the oven, and it's ready for the icing to be spreaded onto. This is a top layer bit and this is the bottom layer bit, so it's going to be on there soon. So I'll show you in the last part of the video what it looks like. So what I'm about to do is to put in the icing in between the sponges and spread it all around. Okay guys, soon the finished part will be revealed, so yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. So here it is guys, this is the finished look of the cake. One big velvet cake, all done. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for future videos, and I shall see you in my next one. Please also let me know what you think down in the comments below if you have any thoughts or questions. Bye guys.